Welcome yet to another video. We want to finish with this tutorial as I promised you so that we can go to the next level, and that's start trading. Start with the basic as we go to trading. So now guys, I know you're familiar with this chart as it appears right now, but we need to do some little adjustment here. I don't want the grids behind the candles. So what I wanna do, I wanna uncheck the grids, and then I wanna show volume. I wanna uncheck it, and yes, let me also change the background to something appealing. Yeah, I want it like that. I want it like that today. So guys, as I was saying, I know if you watched my previous video, you're already familiar with this. If you've not watched, please make sure you go and watch, because that's where we learned how to change all these channels, all these candles from this, from looking this way to looking, oh, sorry, from looking this way to looking that way. Okay, let's still adjust the background. I don't like the way it's looking there. So the background, let me make it, I love that color for today. Yes, we make it look a little bit brighter like that. And right about now, we are about to check this property of these properties on this chart, because there are things, yes, you see them, but you don't know how they're used. Okay, we start with this one. If you click on this one, as you can see here, it's written the cursor. It's the cursor that I'm using to move around this chart. Okay, and then when you go back here, you go to this plus sign. It's called the cross here. Then before I found this, I even searched for it on ChatGPT. How do I make my cursor identify a specific card? It gave me a lot of stress, but thank God I'm here to make it easy for you. So if you click on that, it will help you identify a specific chart and at what time. As you can see, that a specific candle, sorry, as you can see, this is a specific candle that is forming right now. Right now it's at 4 or 7 p.m. And as you can see down here at the bottom of this line, it is identified as a candle forming at 16 p.m. date being on 8th of September 2025. The reason this candle is identified at 4 p.m. is because we are on 1 hour time frame, and all these candles you can see here, they are representing 1 hour. This candle took 1 hour to be formed. This candle took 1 hour to be formed. All these candles took 1 hour to be formed. That's why you can see that. If we change on the time frame from 1 hour to around, sorry, if we change from 1 hour at least to 30 minutes, okay, 5 minutes time frame, you'll see even the candles will as well change. Let us identify the candle right here on this one. Sorry, this candle was formed at 15:55. So this candle started to form at 15:55, and it closed at 15:50, and it closed at 15:55 today. Okay, this one makes it easier when you want to identify a candle, especially if you're trading the 9:30 a.m. thing. Okay, you can identify at the specific time that candle was formed and when it closed. All right, so the next thing, we go to this vertical line here. This is the line that people use to draw while identifying or when they want to mark a certain area on the chart. Same case to this is a horizontal line. You draw a horizontal line from left to right. Okay, this is a trend line. It shows you can mark the direction of the market, and then this is a channel. This channel makes it so easy when you're trading. When you're using the channel, you don't need the vertical and the horizontal line. You don't even need to mark the support and resistance. I'll show you on how to go about that. Make sure you remind me if I forget. Then we got this one here. It's called Fibonacci retracement. This is another tool that you can use to identify an entry point. That it shows you a specific point where you can the market would reverse, has a probability of reversing. Okay, then we go to the text. Text is just you click on it and then you want to write something on the screen, and you can do that. When you come to this one, it has the thumbs up, thumbs down, arrow up, a stop sign, check sign, left price label, right price label, buy and sell, and all that. Then after that, we come to one. These are the time frames now. This is a 1 minute time frame. It means all the candles that will be formed, they represent 1 minute. All the candle. Okay, for example, if we are in 1 minute time frame, this candle would have been formed after 1 minute, but currently it's being formed after 5 minutes. Okay, these are after 1 minute, we go to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily time frame, weekly, and then monthly. All right, when it comes to uh, this this is when you want to create a new chart. Okay, if you want to create a new chart or change the quotes, the currency that you're trading, the pairs that you're trading, you just click on that and you'll change from the current chart to the one that you prefer to do. And then we go to these ones here. These ones are the chart bars. This one is a chart bar. It looks like this. When you click on it, this is how it looks like. The left arrow means the opening price, like in this green bar here. The left arrow means the opening price. The right arrow means the closing price. Nothing much with those colors. Then we can go to candlesticks. These are the commonly used. Most of the people in this market use this, and it's good because with the candlestick you can see most of the links that we need while trading, especially the candles that confirms the reversal and all that. You can only see them here. That's why most of the people use this chart. And then when it comes to line chart, that one is just smooth, but you cannot identify any specific candle that you want to use. So for me, that one is a bit tricky to use, but it's there in the market. I'm used to this. We also have zooming in and zooming out. All right. That's how you zoom in and zoom out. But as well, if you're using a mouse, you can scroll through your mouse and it will adjust the position of the candles. So we come back here, we want to check on what we can do here. You click on insert. When you click on insert, there is under it you can find indicators. This is where you find your indicators. There are a lot of indicators, guys, as you know. There are EMA, William fractals, MACD, RSI. There are so many indicators. If you want to insert any indicator in your charts, this is where you come and you select from here. You can see, for example, if we try this MACD, most of you know MACD. Boom, it appears here. All right, if you want to insert any indicator, that's where you come and then you go to insert. Under insert, you go to indicators, and under indicators, you choose which indicator you want to use William fractals in all that. After the indicator, there is another there is object. If you want to use any object, of which I know you must use, this one is a must do, because if you want a trade line and you don't have it on top here, like if you want any object and you don't have it up here, all you need, where you need to go is you just go under insert, click on it, add the object, and then you choose whatever you're looking for. The trade line, equidistance channel, horizontal line, the rectangle to draw the area of interest, the vertical lines, you see all of these channels. For example, if you click on this channel like that, it will appear here. It will show you what it is. It is this channel. If you want to insert any other object that is not at the top there, you just come here. Even the shapes, guys, the rectangle, the triangle, all that, the arrows, that's up, you see, all of these are here if you want to insert any object on your chart. That's where you get it. All right, that's right about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I know if you watched this video so far, I believe you love it and you want to know how to trade. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. Also turn on the notification bell, because trading is a process. It's not a one-time thing, and as I promised, I would deliver this video. I have done it today. So what I'm going to do next, we will start with the simplest strategy. On my next video, we'll start with the simplest strategy as we keep learning, as we go learning day by day. Once again, I'm really grateful for watching this video so far. Until next time, bye.